Hi there, this is Dr. Ole with Central Iowa Neuropathy, and today I'm joined by Lori. Lori came into the office about 3 months ago, right?
Yeah.
And what brought you in, Lori?
Well, I was having a lot of pain in my feet. I was having a hard time sleeping at night because my feet were cold all the time and hurt all the time. So, and if I did get to sleep, it would wake me up during the night, and I couldn't get back to sleep, things like that. So it was really interrupting my good sleep pattern.
Yeah. Obviously, we know sleep is essential for healing.
Yes, very much so.
So when you're getting interrupted, not only do you not feel good, you're tired throughout the day,
all day, yeah.
Body can't heal.
That's right.
And so, what were the main things like you struggled with besides sleep then?
Well, walking was a big problem. I have 2 dogs. I got them out 3 times a day, but it was like not very long walks. It was long enough to have them take care of their business, and it was like, okay, we're going back in because I can't be on my feet anymore. Okay. And just getting up and walking around the house, I always had to have shoes on to at least help a little bit.
Yeah.
And so now I can do some getting around the house without having to take time to put shoes on, which, I mean, that's nice.
Yeah.
So,
nice not have to get all dressed up just to move around the house,
yeah,
right?
And back to the dogs a little bit, I'm able to take them for longer walks.
Awesome.
We can go about 30 minutes now, and probably longer, but, you know,
That's amazing.
Yeah. I just have so much better outlook on life since my feet don't hurt. You know,
oh my gosh,
your feet are like the core of everything. If your feet don't feel good, for me anyway, nothing feels good. You just you don't have any energy to do anything. You know, just the whole.
This is exactly why I got into neuropathy, because of people like you that I knew it was impacting their life so greatly, and if we could do anything to help you, I wanted to be a part of that.
Well, and I feel like now I have been wanting to go when the pandemic is over, to get on a vacation, go to a beach, walk on the beach, and before I started this, I didn't feel like I could do that, and now I think I can.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you for sharing that with us. Hopefully this helps one of you out there. We're here for you if you need checked out, if you're dealing with some of these feet and leg issues. Give us a call. Central Iowa Neuropathy, 515-505-3700. Have a great day.